So, short crust pastry. People get in such a tangle when it comes to making pastry. So today I'm going to show you a very quick, simple, easy pastry, and I'm going to show you two different ways of doing it. The first way of doing it is by hand. You don't need any special machinery, nothing, just a bowl and your ingredients. And you can also use a food processor. So we've got some plain all-purpose flour. I like a mixture of lard and butter, but it's up to you. You can use all butter or all lard. A good pinch of table salt. Working as quickly as you can, press the butter and the lard into the flour. The quicker you work, the better it is for the pastry, because as your hands get hot, it does start to melt the lard and the butter. And keep going until you have a sandy texture. Then add 3 tablespoons of cold water. We may need a little more, but we'll see in a moment. And then just mix this together quickly with a knife and start to bring the butter and the flour together. And then using your fingertips, just press the pastry into a ball. Put flour onto the work surface. And we're going to roll out the pastry. And there we are, beautiful pastry. I've lined my tart tin with this. Now it's very important before you cook your pastry that you allow this to rest for about 20 minutes in the refrigerator. Simple, easy pastry ready for all your wonderful bakes.